Good afternoon to you all, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Masheda Foods. Masheda Foods is a leading fish farming enterprise based in Buyala along Michana Road in Impigi district, Uganda, and it is revolutionizing the country's aquaculture industry, specializing in commercial catfish farming and processing. The company delivers high quality, sustainably farmed catfish products that meet the quality and global demand for nutritious and eco-friendly food options. Through innovative farming techniques and a strong commitment to sustainability, Masheda Foods is positioning itself as a key player in Uganda's growing aquaculture.
Ino ye Magala TV, okumanya we kutandikira.
Yeah, I'm called Lemasam, the technical person, Masetta Mixed Farm. Here is my colleague, Baturen James. He's the hatchery technician. So this is our hatchery section. So the production starts right from here. Behind you is our boiler. That's where we boil our water for temperature regulation purposes. So that water, once it's boiled, it passes through the pipes, comes this inside here. So whereby we have our mixer where the water gets mixed from. So from here, let's enter inside and we see how the process is done. There's one pipe is letting in a warm water, and then the other one is letting in cold water. So the cold water and the warm get mixed from here. So this is where we regulate our temperature to a required level. So from here, this mixer will normally maintain a temperature of 26 to 30 degrees. So from this mixer, and then it's allowed to come to this breeding tank. So this is our first section of hatchery, where we do our breeding first. As you can see, is here doing the feeding. We did our breeding. So per tank, that's where we normally record it so that when you enter inside, you don't have so many questions, or you don't get confused from how many we have on this side and then get it from there.
We not only help farmers who are interested in catfish farming with the knowledge, with the skill, with what is supposed to be done in the process of bringing up the fish. We also help we give you all that expertise, which of course, if you become part of the association, it's something that you'd get in return. So to sum up your question on why catfish are the fingerlings, where we source them, and the innovation, I would say Masheda Foods and Masheda Farms, we are strategically located and strategically situated, not only to give you options to healthy eating, but we are here to offer you foods that do not have any additive, because it goes through our proper, stringent channels. That is why we have the highest standards of certification in BRCGS and IFS. That is the highest level of food safety that an institution that deals in food can attain.
So far, Masheda Mixed Farm has directly impacted, trained and skilled about 500 youth, street youth. This program was conceptualized during the COVID-19 epidemic, where we saw a very large unemployment rate and a very large community of the street youth struggling. As you know, there was, for lack of a better word, the daily bread was, the phones here and there, stealing the phones and selling them. So we had a very big security and crime rate issue within the country, whereby we wanted to play our part and build Uganda for Ugandans by creating a program where we skilled an initial 300 street. Ekyenyanja tetulunda kye bayita emmale. Emmale eno Abannayuganda abangi tebagiryangako, naye nga omuntu yenna w'alya ku mmale aba alya ekintu ekirungi, ekintu ekirina omugaso ku mubiri, era ekintu ekisobola okumuyamba okugeza ku baana, kubanga kati Masheda Foods tukola fish powder. Eyo catfish powder nungi nnyo era eyamba ku baana. Erina omega 3, erina omega 6, erina vitamin B12, erina ebintu bingi nnyo ebisobola okuyamba ku baana era
No, I am actually supposed to grab this one.
That one is.
If I still get smell,
You put it down a little bit down. And then you another big one.
I swear to God, this so good.
Let me show you.
That's okay.
I throw it back.
No, that one is going to.
No, that's the one.
Forgetting.
Eno ye Magala TV, okumanya we kutandikira.